Pomegranate can help you lose weight. It is a very interesting fruit to add to your healthy diet, in addition to staying young for longer can help you lose weight. We tell you everything that the grenade can do for you and your health. Although it is a very sweet fruit, it is not a caloric fruit. On the contrary, it has just over 80 calories per 100 grams, making it a good supplement for weight loss diets. It is free of cholesterol and practically fat, so it is perfect to snack between meals, drink it in juices or include it in the menus. Pomegranate is diuretic, has a great purifying power and will help you eliminate toxins and waste substances. The draining properties that give it its high water content are enhanced with its sodium and potassium content that prevent fluid retention. Its high fiber content helps regulate intestinal transit and facilitates digestion. It is satiating and will avoid those feelings of heaviness or swelling caused by heavy foods or processed foods or with a lot of saturated fat. Regulates blood sugar levels, preventing you from accumulating fat in unwanted areas such as the abdomen or holsters. Its water content favors the hydration of the organism, and also its sweetness will help you curb the impulses of sweet craving that can cause you to assault the refrigerator with the consequent increase in weight and height. What experts recommend is to take it especially at breakfast so that the feeling of satiety is present all morning and avoid temptations.